Chapter 4
Charts in MS Excel 2007.
Introduction. You know about presenting data and information in the form of numbers. This is called numeric data. It is also possible to present numeric data and information in pictorial form. A pictorial representation of numeric data is called a chart or graph. Column chart, bar chart, pie chart. Charts and graphs are more attractive and appealing than the simple presentation of data. It is the same as the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. There are many advantages of charts and graphs. Some of the advantages are: charts present data and information in an attractive manner. Charts present data and information in a compact manner. Charts are easier to understand and compare.
Charts have a long-lasting effect on the mind than a simple data statement.
Components of a chart. The main components of a chart are plot area, value axis, category axis, data points, chart area, legend. Types of charts in MS Excel 2007. Microsoft Excel supports many types of charts to display your data in ways that are meaningful and provide impressive visual support to your audience. Charts available in MS Excel 2007 are as follows. Column chart. A column chart shows data changes over a period of time or illustrates comparisons among items.
Line chart. A line chart shows the different trends in data at equal intervals. It shows data in different styles of lines varying at equal intervals.
Pie chart. A pie chart shows one data series in the form of the comparative size of things that make up the data series to the sum of the items. Bar chart. A bar chart shows comparisons among individual items. Area chart. An area chart shows the trend of values over time or categories. Scatter chart. A scatter chart shows pairs of values in scatter format. Other charts. Other charts include surface, donut, bubble, and radar charts. Each of these chart types are divided into a number of subtypes in MS Excel 2007. Have a look at them. Subtypes of column chart, subtypes of line chart, subtypes of pie chart, subtypes of bar chart, subtypes of area chart, subtypes of scatter chart, subtypes of other charts. Creating charts. The data in rows and columns of a worksheet can easily be used for creating different kinds of charts in Excel. You can create charts at two different places. In the current worksheet, as an object in separate sheet in the current workbook. Let us learn how to create a chart on the worksheet with the following data. There are two ways to create a chart in MS Excel 2007. Method 1. Excel can figure out an appropriate chart for you on its own. Select the cells and press the F11 key. Excel automatically creates a chart for you and a new chart tab appears along with the sheet tabs. This is the shortest and easiest way of creating a chart. Method 2. To create a chart of your choice, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cells within the table. Step 2. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Select the type of chart you want from the Charts group. Here, we are selecting column chart type. Step 4. Now select the chart subtype from the drop-down list. This creates the desired chart for you on the current worksheet. As the chart gets created, Three new tabs appear on the ribbon: Design tab, Layout tab, and Format tab, displaying various chart tools. With the help of commands in these tabs, you can do various changes in the chart. Let us learn to edit our chart with the help of Design tab. Changing the chart type. To change the type of the chart currently on your worksheet, follow the given step. Step 1. Double-click the chart. The Design tab opens, displaying the chart tools. Step 2. Click Change Chart Type in the Type group. The Change Chart Type dialog box appears. Step 3. Choose the new chart type and its subtype. Step 4. Click the OK button. Your chart gets changed. Changing the chart style. You can change the visual style of your chart. To change chart style, follow the given steps. Step 1. Double-click the chart. The Design tab opens, displaying the chart tools. Step 2. Click More button in the Chart Style group. Step 3. You see a gallery of different styles. Click the style you like to apply on your chart. Changing data and text in a chart. Excel chart data and text are linked to the data and text in a worksheet from which the chart is created. So, any changes in the worksheet will automatically update the chart. Deleting data and text in a chart. To delete data from an Excel chart, you have to delete data from the related worksheet.
Remember, when you change data and text in a worksheet, Excel automatically updates the chart.
Resizing and moving charts. You can resize and move a chart in Excel. You can adjust a chart by dragging the chart's frames called handle. To resize a chart proportionally, drag the corner handle on the chart diagonally.
To move a chart, point anywhere on the chart and drag it in the desired direction.
Printing charts. To print a chart, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the chart. Step 2. Click the Office button. Step 3. Click Print option. The Print dialog box appears. Step 4. Click the OK button.
Do you know? To have a look of your chart before printing, use Print Preview option. Click Office button. Select Print. Click Print Preview from the submenu. You have